Izingane zasemthathu esikoleni SOS Children's iphiwe isikhungo somtapo olwazi ngosuku iMandela Day. Izingane zalapha zithi zifisa sengathi lolu suku kungabi usuku lwanamhlanje kuphela lwenzeke insuku zonke. Umzukulu kaMandela uNdileka Mandela uthi bayajabula ukuthi kukhunjulwa umkhulu wabo. Naye uyavumelana nokuthi lolu suku lube insuku zonke.
I would rather Mandela Day be a culmination of something that has been done over the year, and on the 18th is the handover of that project, like what we're doing here today, because this has been a culmination of what has been done. It's not just an event, a PR's exercise of an event. Yes, it's good for people to do good work.
Umnyango wezemidlalo ezobuciko namasiko kanye nehhovisi likaNdunankulu baphinde igumbi elishintshwe labo umtapo ulwazi.
To hand over a mini library. As you would note, primary schools are a responsibility of the Department of Education. So it is within their mandate that they ensure that in each and every school there's a room dedicated for library services. We are responsible for provincial and district libraries. However, we felt because Dr. Nelson Mandela loved education and he loved kids, so as part of the gesture in our 67 minutes, we thought as a Department of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, let's extend our mandate and renovate this classroom, this boardroom, convert it into a mini library.
Emqhekezweni Eastern Cape lapho Nelson Mandela akhulela khona izikole ezisikhombisa ezingxenye yosuku iMandela Day nalapho zoba ingxenye yobuchwepheshe becoding. Abafundi bangene egumbini lokufundela lapho kwaqala khona ukufunda uNelson Mandela kuseduze ke nesonto lapho abhabhadiswa khona.
The coding game it's a very good game and challenging the mind to think. You use a puzzle and cell phone. Remember, cell phones now are already on kids, but we now want them to use it on a way that will build them instead of negative ways.
Ababukeli baphawulile ngokuthi balichitha kanjani usuku luka Madiba.
Kulombutho walapha eGreat Car Disability Multipurpose Center ngosuku sindwendwela abantu abakhubazekileyo sibancede abanye sibahlambele izinto zabo sibaklinele nasezindlini zabo abo bangakwazi ukuhlamba nabo siyabanceda singulombutho.
Namsasazi olusuku lwanamhlanje ichithango yokuncedisa eclinic siyopeyinta sicebinqa sikline yadile yonke indlela endizazichitha ngayo nolusuku namhlanje kanti kwasele ndisesutini ngoku yoba ndiye ngakhona uyandibona uba ndisezi overall.
Every day ihlala iMandela Day msasazi. Xa umuntu ufuna uncedwa ngento nami banibona uba ngakwazi umnceda ndiyamnceda msasazi ihlala iMandela Day every day kumsasazi.
Mna msasi wami olusuku lanamhlanje ndilibhiyozele ngokuba ndinxibe isikibha sakhe esinomfanekiso wakhe utata esikhombisayo ukuba ndiyamkhumbula